On December 26, 2025, the OBAT health post in the Ukya refugee camp was completely destroyed by a fire caused by an electrical short circuit. However, our work did not stop. With unwavering courage and dedication, we continued treating patients under the open sky. Subsequently, with support from WHO, we received essential medical equipment, laboratory supplies, and tents to establish a temporary health clinic, allowing us to continue serving the community without interruption. We also received a 5 kVA generator from UNICEF to support our daily operations. This reflects our deep commitment to saving lives, regardless of the challenges we face. Stand with OBAT. Help us rebuild.